Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on exactly how to use the Bumble dating app. So if you're currently new to the Bumble dating app and you want to be able to know exactly how to use it, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what we're going to do firstly is to just open up our Bumble app, and as you can see we should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Now what I'm going to do in here, I'm actually going to use my Facebook to be able to continue to create my account on Bumble with my Facebook, because I just think it's much easier in general. But you can also use your mobile number or Apple ID if you have an iPhone, just so you know. So I'm just going to click here right now. It's just going to load and I'm just going to click on continue in here. Going to click on open. Let's see if it actually can make it work. So I'm just going to click on continue. It's just going to take me a couple of seconds and then I should be able to create my account. So I'm just going to go back into the Bumble app right here. And as you can see, we need to actually set our location, as you can see. And I'm going to have it allow while using the app. I'm just going to click on not now. Click on accept right here. Click continue. And perfectly, as you can see, this is the first step. Now we need to enter our first name. I'm just going to write like this, testing this. Just going to take the first, and obviously in here, I mean, have your real information. This is just for this tutorial, so this is all fake information, obviously. Confirm. We are going to actually choose our gender in here. As you can see, they have woman, man, and non-binary. So we're just going to now proceed to the next step. And you can also have it shown on your profile, or you can also disable it if you want to, obviously, as you can see. So you don't have to actually show your gender on your profile if you don't want to. And now we're going to continue by clicking on the arrow in the bottom right corner, as you can see. So just click there. And now, as you can see, you can enter your email. You can also skip it if you click on skip in the bottom left corner. And as you can see, they actually ask us like this: what brings you to Bumble? So as you can see, to date, so if you want to be able to find a relationship, something casual, or anything in between. BFF, so make new friends and find your community. Biz, as you can see, network professionally and make career moves. They have this one as well, which is quite interesting. So I'm just going to take this as an example here and click on the arrow again. And as you can see, we have to actually add some photos. I'm going to see if I can proceed without adding. Oh, I have to actually add. So I'm just going to add I can see if I can actually add from Facebook just real quick. I'm just going to add this photos here as an example for my profile. Just take this one as well. Let's just continue with the Facebook here. Just random photos, obviously. I mean, for this tutorial. I think, did it delete one of them? Weird. Okay, let's continue. Or maybe it actually just allows us to add face for some reason. Okay, let's continue with this one again. Maybe it's not going to allow us. I don't know. Let's try. And click on the arrow now. Oh, perfect. As you can see, this make new friends at every stage of your life. BFF will help you find new friendship, whether you're new to a city or just looking to expand your social circle. Okay, great. Got it. And as you can see, now we have to pick up to 3 to find, we have to pick our interest basically. So for example, my interest is, this is actually about us, sorry. I'm new to town as an example, education. Let's take just graduated, working, IT, working it, career focused, new job as an example here. As you can see, house and home. Let's take first time homeowner. Okay. Okay, this doesn't let me pick for some reason. I don't know why. Family life. Oh, this one doesn't pick as well. Okay, this is interesting. Oh, we have to just select 3. Okay, sorry. Pick up to 3. Yeah, so for example, if I remove this one right here, I can actually choose this one. Oh, okay. It's up to 3. Sorry, guys. So it's up to 3 here that we can actually choose. And now when we're done, we can click on the arrow in the bottom right corner again. Choose 5 things you're really into. So dancing, I'm just going to take random here for me, and then click on the arrow once again. Your relationship, let's write single. As you can see, they have a bunch of options in here: single, in a relationship, engaged, married, it's complicated, divorced, widowed. Okay, yeah. So they have these options in here, as you can see. Click on the arrow now again. Click on I accept. Add your first photo. Okay, I thought we already did that, but okay, let's see. Let's add from Facebook. Let's take this one, add this photo here. Oh, okay, sorry. Yeah, actually, we have to add like a real photo. So I guess that I will have to actually take a real photo. So just a second. Let's see. So I'm just going to see if this one works right here. Okay, perfect. As you can see, I now actually have my profile right here. So I'm just going to see if I can actually remove the photo I just took. Okay, we need at least two photos. Okay, yeah. So this one right here is the photo right here is here now. So yeah, as you can see now we can actually start like scrolling on this app right here. So what we can do is that we can click on people here as an example, and we can now start scrolling on this app. So if you're interested, if, for example, in this person, you can either like dislike or like, as you can see. So for example, not interested, not interested, not interested. And if you're interested, obviously you have to just swipe to the right, basically, just so you know. And you can also find chats in the bottom right corner. As you can see, you can also find all of the chats in here, which is great. So when actually when you're going to get a chat or when you start a chat with somebody, you will be able to view everything in here. And you can also click on the like symbol in here, and everybody that has liked you will appear in here, just so you know. But basically, this is a short explanation on exactly how to use the Bumble app.